Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We're taking a trip down memory lane to explore some of our biggest PC building mistakes, ones that might have gone unnoticed until now. You see, back in the day, when having a generous budget was just a dream, we didn't always prioritize every single component with equal importance. In fact, many of us, like XDA, used to treat the case as the afterthought, allocating it only the smallest portion of our budget. It wasn't until we finally realized its significance that we decided to change our approach and build PCs with the case as the centerpiece. Looking back at some of our previous builds, it's clear that having a generous budget back then was just a dream for many of us. Our cases often reflected this lack of attention to detail. They were usually solid black boxes with little room for air intake or exhaust, and we didn't even prioritize aesthetics. But things have changed since then. With PC hardware becoming more power-hungry, the need for proper airflow grew, and features like cable management became essential. And that's when we realized that investing in a good case was no longer an afterthought. It was a crucial part of building a solid gaming PC. Take XDA, for example, who recently upgraded to one of the best cases around, the Corsair 4000D Airflow. This case offers not just great airflow, but also comes pre-installed with 2 RGB fans that add an extra layer of visual appeal. And it's not just XDA, many of us can relate to the struggle of having a decent case that didn't skimp on features or build quality. So, what went wrong in the past? How did we overlook such an important component? For some of us, it was a lack of knowledge about future upgradability and component compatibility. We didn't prioritize aesthetics or design, focusing instead on getting top-of-the-line components that would blow our minds. But today, things have changed. With cases offering great airflow and design options galore, we can now build PCs that not just perform well, but also look amazing. And it all starts with choosing the right case, one that enhances the visuals of your PC and the hardware inside it. Whether you like a sleek black mini tower or an all-white mid-tower, picking the right case first allows you to make the right choices for the rest of your components. It's not just about upgradability, it's also about aesthetics and visual appeal. And that's why we want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite PC cases? What features do you prioritize when choosing a new build? So, let's take a look at some amazing cases that might have flown under your radar. From compact ITX cases like the Height Revolt 3 to premium mid-tower cases like the NZXT H9 Flow, there are so many great options out there. In conclusion, it's time to move on from those bargain basement cases and start treating them with the respect they deserve. The case is no longer an afterthought. It's a crucial component that can make or break your build. So next time you're building a PC, remember, the case comes first, and so does its importance in creating a solid gaming PC.